Hi, today I'm with me OPPO F23 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere app from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the Ampere and now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. And now we could see here the messages, information about your device battery health, and in my case that's the good condition. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.